This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights. Entertainment flashback in just 60 seconds. This week's hot happenings, and check this out. Good afternoon, it's the new month. Happy August, everyone. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. Heading this week's local entertainment news, the only rose among the thorns in this year's Jamaica 60 Festival Song Competition was crowned the winner for 2022. Sacaj, the 29-year-old from St. Mary, became the fifth female winner in the competition's 56-year history. Her entry, Knowin' Nice Like Yard, took the top honors and the $3 million prize money to be shared with producer Newell Morgan. Magic Flute placed second with his entry I Am a Proud Jamaican, while veteran entertainer Nitty Kutchie finished third with Defend Jamaica. In international entertainment, a new bill aimed at limiting the use of rap music lyrics as evidence in court has reached the Congress. The Restoring Artistic Protection Act, also referred to as the RAP Act, was introduced in the U.S. House of Representatives amid growing concerns over lyrics being used against artists in criminal cases. Aimed at amending federal rules of evidence laws, the first-of-its-kind bill seeks to limit the admissibility of evidence of a defendant's creative or artistic expression against such defendant in a criminal proceeding and for other purposes. This week's entertainment flashback in 60 seconds continues with James Chambers, also known and loved as Jimmy Cliff. After moving to Kingston to pursue his dreams, it was also at this point of Jimmy's life that he took on the surname Cliff. This was as a means of expressing the heights Jimmy intended to reach, which he eventually did, but not in that particular moment. Jimmy Cliff recorded 2 unsuccessful singles before being spotted by Derek Morgan, who introduced him to Leslie Kong. They released his first single, Hurricane Hattie. For the budding producer at the time, which became the spark plug Jimmy needed, it was an instant hit, and he became famous by the age of 14 for it. Unlike other artists who moved from studio to studio like clockwork, Jimmy remained with Kong until the producer's death. In the early years of their teamwork, the pair helped pave the way for the ska scene in both Jamaica and Britain, where the singer's singles were finally picked up by Island Records. Since then, Miss Jamaica, Pride and Passion, King of Kings, and One-Eyed Jacks are just a few that have since become classics of the ska era. By 1964, Cliff's star shone so bright, he was selected as one of Jamaica's reps at the World's Fair in New York. A successful residency in Paris followed up, and things were going so well. The head of Island Records, Chris Blackwell, eventually convinced Jimmy to relocate to Britain. At the time, Island Records was in the process of shifting away from Jamaican music into progressive rock, and Jimmy began composing songs of his own to follow suit. The switch was really risky, but ultimately a successful one. In 1968, Cliff released his excellent debut album, Hard Road, and won the International Song Festival with Waterfall. And that's your bite for this week. Tune in next week, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's hot happenings, head to the Deck Reunion Jamaica 60th Independence Jamboree this Saturday, August 6th. Start time 7 p.m. at Footprints Cafe, 5 Belmont Road, with live performance by Roy Ryan. Pre-sold tickets available at Footprints Cafe. And the Kintyre Methodist Church presents its Holiday Teen Time HTT every 2 weeks on Friday. If you or someone you know is between the ages of 12 and 19, come learn table tennis, play video and board games on the Kintyre Methodist grounds, 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Call, text, or WhatsApp 876-999-8775 to confirm your attendance. It's totally free. Go check out Honey by Beyonce as one of the big energy tracks from Queen Bee's new album, Renaissance. It's silky smooth yet oozing with that energy you need for your weekend. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. And thank you for keeping it locked to the coolest station in the nation. Tune in for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops every Friday inside Cool Rhythms with Entertainment 97.